fellow night owls, just like myself. Let me tell you something, babes. My newfound secret to waking up refreshed and radiant. Yeah, I'm going to share with you one of my tops. I've been using Estee Lauder's Advanced Night Repair Synchronized Multi-Recovery Complex, and it's been a game changer for me. Let's talk about the star ingredient here, peptides. They're like little superheroes for your skin, encouraging those skin cells to kick into action. The night peptide in this serum, exclusive to Estee Lauder, is designed to work its magic overnight, boosting your skin's renewal process. Just smooth it on before bedtime and let it do all the heavy lifting. The results? Waking up with firmer, less lines, and younger looking skin. It's like a reset button for your complexion. And if you're someone who needs a bit more beauty sleep, the added hyaluronic acid is a real lifesaver. It locks in moisture, leaving your skin looking and feeling fresher and renewed. But it's not just a nighttime hero. This serum pulls double duty during the day with 8-hour antioxidant protection, including vitamin E. It defends your skin against the effects of modern-day challenges like pollution. Prevention is the key to fighting signs of aging, right? And can we talk about the ease of use? Just apply before your moisturizer, morning and night, using one dropper. Smooth it in gently over your face and throat, and you're done. Estee Lauder claims it's like having the power of 7 serums in one. And honestly, I can see why. It addresses everything: lines, wrinkles, uneven skin tone, dehydration, firmness, visible pores, you name it. Hey, this is it. The clinical and consumer testing results are impressive too, with visible line reduction, improved firmness, and enhanced radiance. Y'all, check this packaging out. It's eco-friendly with a recyclable glass bottle and carton. Plus, it's dermatologist tested, ophthalmologist tested, and won't cause breakouts, and is free of synthetic fragrance, parabens, phthalates, sulfates, and mineral oil. It's suitable for all ages, all skin tones, and all skin types. I don't think you can beat that, right? In a nutshell, this serum is a little brown bottle of magic. Estee Lauder, with its rich history and commitment to innovation, truly knows how to make a product that stands the test of time. So, fellow night owls, rest well and let Advanced Night Repair do its wonders. It's worth the splurge.